We rebuilt this bathroom from the top to the bottom. We redesigned the whole layout to make this bathroom flow efficiently and look amazing. Let me show you what a great bathroom space looks like. Before, this space was just a standard 5 by 10 bathroom that had your standard tub and shower combination with a small 2-foot closet. So what we did is we expanded space back approximately 6 feet from the old room that we took the space from, and then behind that we made the closet for this space, and it gave us room to build a half wall for our custom size shower. For this new tub that she wanted, it was a new Max freestanding tub here with a beautiful oil rub bronze Delta intrinsic fixture. And she's got the handheld as well with the Roman tub filler. This Max tub is a 32 by 60, it's a standard tub size, really gives a lot of elegance to the space. We also added a little warmth with these vertical 16 by 48 tile to add extra protection behind the tub to really soften the space. Because we took that extra 6-foot space into this room, we had enough space to build this additional half wall. Had some Calcutta Valentine quartz for the top of this wall to support this custom glass. And we did 6 by 24 walls, tiles. And we added a bench with a nice size seat. We did a no threshold here on the shower, so there's no step getting in, with a beautiful custom 36-inch door. We also have a linear shower drain that is custom for the tile. This whole base slopes all the way down to the drain there, which the customer's not staying in the drain when she's taking a shower, and there's no water getting underneath the door. We have a beautiful rain head, our regular shower device, and Delta also has a grab bar that is ADA compliant. So it duals as a grab bar and a holder for your body spray. And that's an awesome thing to have. With this wood looking porcelain tile, these are 7 by 24 to 48. That looks amazing with this beautiful countryside cabinet. So this customer chose a countryside Lexington door panel maple wood driftwood stain with slow close doors and drawers, with a nice oil and bronze handle. We added this additional cabinetry space once we took her closet that we demoed out of here. We gave her the space back into this tall pantry that gives you plenty of space. To add to the design, we took the frame of the same product, the same maple, the same driftwood, and we put some glass in there so it matches the cabinets beautifully. With the beautiful Delta intrinsic arm that swivels on the bathroom faucet. And again, the same Calcutta Valentine, beautiful quartz. We also finished with the Kohler Cabana toilet. And we also added additional outlets updated for new technology, USB regular and USB mini ports, which really adds to the efficiency of this space. Now, this custom bathroom remodel delivers a great balance of luxury, function, and craftsmanship. This bathroom was built to perform, designed to impress, and tailored to the homeowner's lifestyle. Plus, she'd be able to age in place with these added ADA requirements like the 36-inch door and grab bars. If you're ready for a quality built bathroom, then give us a call or contact KLM Builders and we will design the space with you.